Mom, is it okay if Tony stays over? He is helping me with my homework.
Sure he can, sweetheart. Make yourself at home, honey. We got snacks in the fridge if you get hungry.
Damn, he is looking like a snack. Vi knows how to pick them.
I will leave you two lovebirds alone. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Ha ha ha.
Heh, okay, Mrs. Parr.
Mom, shut up! Please leave! Tony, I got some snacks for us. We can eat them while watch. Hey, where did he go? Tony, where are you? What is that noise? Is Mom working out? Mom, have you seen Tony? He is...
Oh my, Mrs. Parr, you are incredible!
Thank you for your attention. Please like and subscribe.